What should I do if the kitchen is the entrance to the house? There is the kitchen right after entering the door. The shoe cabinet can only be made in half. Shoes that are often worn are piled on the doorstep. The kitchen is also very crowded. Try this. First, remove non-load-bearing walls to expand space. It's very noble to do it by the door. Storage shoes and boots. Handbag with centerpiece. Leave space at the bottom for long-wear shoes. Connect to the top. Extra large rotating shoe rack installed underneath. Can be stored on both sides. Don't be afraid no matter how many shoes you have. Close the cabinet door without dust. Third, the back side is also made into a high cabinet. Fourth, make a set of wine cabinets on the side. Easy to store drinks and tea leaves. Intermediate installation pipeline machine. Convenient to drink water and make tea. Fifth, design the bar on the other side. Built-in microwave countertop. Vegetable baskets and trash cans can also be embedded inside. Sixth, finally install the hanging rail sliding door. It opens to a semi-open kitchen. Atmospheric and bright. Don't forget like and share video.